dense property of rational number. So what is mean by dense? Okay, so dense means closer or nearer. Okay, nearer to each other. Okay, in short we can say that in a Milky Way galaxy there is a much stars, or you can say there is a sand particle, in which how many sand particles are there in here? Can you count? It is infinite, right? We cannot count. So for this certain regions we call it dense. Okay, so we will see here clearly. So dense means closer or near property. So dense property of Q. So as I said, let us take 1 by 10 and 1 by 20. Okay, 1 by 20 or 1 by 10. So 1 by 10 is nothing but 1, 10. So 0.010 1 times 10. It truncates here itself. So that means in real line, always try to visualize in real line. Okay. So here we have 0, 0.1. Let it be 0.1. And this is, we know already. So 1, 20 here, 0.10. We cannot go for, still it cannot carry forward here. So I am going to repeat again 0 here, 100. So 25 times 100. Okay, that means 0.05. It comes under 0 to 0.1. That means if I zoom up here, it is zoomed. When I zoom here, 0.05 and 0.1. It comes up like this. Okay, when you zoom this, it going to be rise like this. Okay, so between 1 by 10 and 1 by 20. So this I call 1 by 20 and 1 by 10. Got it? So furthermore, we are going to having a zoom. Okay, zooming property. So zooming property is also one of the kind for denseness. Okay, so we can also say it zoom. Okay, let us zoom this number further. See what happen if I take 1 by 100. It is nothing but 0.01. Okay, got it? That means it is somewhere here. If I zoom 1 by 100, which means it is coming over here. So always 0 on the left, 0.01, 0.05. What about if I zoom this part, what will come up here? 0.01. That means I'm adding one more 0 here. Okay, so for 100, this is 1 by 10. Okay, so I'm adding one more 0 here. That means 0.001. Okay, again I'm zooming here. So 0.001. Okay, so now this time 10,000. That means it will come up 0.301. 0.3301. Right, 0.0001. Got it? So how many such time we can zoom up here? So can you able to discover what I'm going to say here? What I'm saying here is, see, if I take 0, there is lot much number between 0 and 1. Okay, so this is 0 and 1. So let us take, this is a milestone. We have to travel along this road and we have to reach 1 kilometer. Okay, so here is your destination. So your destination starts from 0.00, no matter how many zeros, but it is that much smaller number. Okay, so here somewhere 0.0001, here 0.001, here 0.01, and here 0.1, and I don't think so 1 will come up here. It is much longer than this distance. Okay, let 1 will be here. Okay, some 0.5 here, and so on. Got it? So between 0 and 1 there is much numbers. Okay, that is called dense. If you click here and zoom it, 0.001, right? If you click here I'm going to click this portion. I'm going to zooming only this portion. There will be several numbers, several such numbers around this 0.01. Whichever I have marked the vertical line numbers, those are all the numbers extracting from 0.001. Okay, got it? So that much you have a more and more numbers. This is called denseness property, and this can be calculated by arithmetic mean. So here you have a formula. It is very much easy. So zooming process of rational number. Okay, so suppose if I tell that there is some A and here's some B, if I want to zoom this only this kind of segment, okay, this segment itself I want to zoom here. Okay, so there will be a midpoint which I can equate it half and half. Okay, so that is called A plus B divided by 2, and this is called as AN. Okay, arithmetic mean property. It's called arithmetic mean. Note that A should be greater than B. Okay, only when this is possible this formula activates. Okay, so A plus B by 2 will be your zooming formula. So this is called dense here. Okay, so between A and B, A plus B by 2 always exists here. Okay, for example, let us take here 1 and 2. What will be here? 1.5, right? So if you take these two number or that two number, once again you will have midpoint. If you take between these two number, there will be midpoint. If you take these two, it will be a midpoint. It will be a midpoint, and if you even take lot more, there will be certain midpoint. It will going to come up everywhere. Okay, like a cluster. Cluster means every numbers closer to each other, but they are invisible. Okay, here we have such segment. We call it A is greater than A plus B by 2, and this is greater than B. Okay, note that this is very much important, because we can easily say that this is less than this part is less than A, right? Just think about the reverse process of this. Okay, A is greater than this one, this is greater than B. Okay, this symbol is denoted as greater than, and this symbol is called less than, as you know that very well. Okay, so this is a dense property of rational number. That means zooming up the properties in rational number in us. So here's a third problem. Find any 5 rational numbers. So rational number is denoted as Q. So between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. And the second problem will be similar to this problem. Second subdivision is 0.1 and 0.11. Third one -1 and -2. Okay. So whenever he is asking between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5, take first number as A and second number as B, and remaining portion you have to find 5 rational numbers in between those two numbers. Okay, and denoting it Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. I'm using the letter Q because the capital Q itself denote as rational numbers. Okay, so that's why Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and Q5. So we have a formula for zooming property. I call it dense property, right? So Q is equal to A plus B by 2, or you can say 1 by 2 A plus B. So this is what? Q, small q. Okay, so it says, so this is a formula. Either you can take this one or that one, both are same. So let us start with this, because so Q1, I denoted Q1. Q1 is equal to 1 by 2 A plus B. A is 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 5, and this is equal to 1 upon 2. Take LCM. 5 plus 4 is 9. 5 4s are 20. So 9 upon 20. So what was the 20? 5 plus 4. Yeah, 9 by 40. Got it? Next, for Q2, we have 1 by 2 A plus those first and last number, A plus q1, and this is 1 by 2, 1 upon 4 plus 9 upon 40. We can take 4 as a common. 4 as a common. If we take 1 by 4 common here, so 1 by 2. So if we take 1 by 4 as common, it is going to come up 1 times 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 9 by 10. Okay, now take the LCM. 1 upon 8, take the LCM. 10 plus 9 is 19 by 10, and this is nothing but 19. 1 times 9, 8 tens are 80. And in the same way you have to find q3, q4 and q5. Okay, so you have to find the same thing. It is nothing but 1 by 2 a plus q2. So I'm going to write, you have to find it. See, q3 how you have to find is 1 by 2 a plus, already q2 you have found out, right? So a plus q2. Got it? Next, q4 will be 1 by 2 a plus q3, and q5 is nothing but 1 by 2 a plus q4. Okay, so in this way you are going to find, and you have, once you find out, you just have to replace here, or you can say that, so these are the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So in this sense you can find it out. Got it?